Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Wood Dollhouse Kit is probably one of the most rewarding projects you can undertake, offering a unique blend of creativity, craftsmanship, and nostalgic charm. These kits provide an engaging hands-on building experience, perfect for both children and adults who love to express their artistic side. Get ready to dive into a world of miniature design and construction, where every detail matters and the possibilities are endless. Number 5. NWFashion 17 Wooden 6 Rooms DIY House. This is a fantastic DIY kit for kids. It's a wooden puzzle that you assemble yourself, perfect for a fun and engaging project. The house features a unique Gothic design, making it a great decoration. It's perfect for Christmas, Halloween, or any time of year. Once assembled, the house stands at 17 inches tall. It's a great size for display and imaginative play. The kit includes only wooden parts, allowing you to customize it. You can paint it and add your own personal touches. This is a DIY kit, so patience is key. You'll need to assemble the pieces yourself, which takes about 2 to 5 hours. It's safe and non-toxic, but contains small parts. It's not suitable for children under 7 years old. If any pieces are missing, we can offer a refund. Please note that we cannot send replacements. What we like. This Gothic-style dollhouse kit is perfect for those who love a touch of the macabre. It's a DIY project, so you can assemble it yourself and even paint it to your liking. If you're looking for a unique and customizable dollhouse, this one is a great choice. What people say. While there are no real instructions for assembling, each connection does have a letter or number to help you to connect them. Good starter house for anyone just getting into building and isn't ready to tackle much larger, more detailed kits. This dollhouse has great bone structure as a jumping-off point for making it your own. Number 4. Lannso M2132 DIY Miniature Dollhouse Kit. This kit comes with numerous accessories, requiring patience for assembly. The design is exquisite, with precise cutting for a perfect fit. Recommended for ages 15 and up, it's a rewarding project. The detailed color English manual uses real product assembly photos, making it clear and easy to understand. You can use your imagination to transform some accessories and DIY your own house. The kit includes wood, paper, plastic, LED lights, and a dust cover. You can create potted plants, chairs, and tables. Building it step by step will bring you joy. Please note that batteries and glue are not included. This is an excellent gift for those who enjoy handmade crafts. It also serves as a beautiful home decoration. Handmade gifts make them more meaningful and valuable. Follow the cutting guidelines in the instructions and avoid wasting accessories. If you encounter any issues during assembly, such as missing or damaged parts, or unclear instructions, please contact us for assistance. What we like. This kit comes with a detailed English manual, making assembly easier. It also includes an LED light and a dust cover to protect your creation. If you enjoy detailed projects and want a beautiful display piece, this is the perfect kit for you. What people say. The instructions were clear and easy to follow. The kit includes all the necessary materials. The finished dollhouse is sturdy and well-made. Number 3. Tinyland Wooden Dollhouse for Girls. This modern dollhouse features a stylish design with 6 rooms and modern furniture. It encourages creativity and roleplay, making it a perfect gift for any child. It also nurtures STEM thinking and problem-solving skills. The dollhouse comes with a total of 30 pieces of furniture. These pieces are designed for 6 different rooms, including a living room, dining room, and bedroom. Kids can arrange the rooms however they like. Made of high-quality, sustainable wood, this dollhouse is built to last. It's a 1/12 scale open-plan design, with dimensions of 31H x 28L x 13W. The sturdy construction ensures long-lasting play. Enhance the play experience with 6 uniquely designed wallpapers. Each wallpaper is tailored to the purpose of each room, adding a touch of sophistication. It allows for a personalized style. Tinyland is committed to providing top-quality products and service. It offers a 2-year quality guarantee. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact them. What we like. This dollhouse features a modern furniture style, perfect for sparking your child's imagination. It includes 30 pieces of furniture, allowing for endless creative arrangements. If you have a young child who loves to play and design, this dollhouse will provide hours of fun. What people say. The quality and detail of the materials and accessories all made from solid wood were exceptional. The intricate designs, including detailed rooms, functioning accessories definitely add to the imaginative play experience. All the furniture is very cute and modern. Easy to put together and sturdy. It is sturdy, larger than pictured and decorated adorably. The open design makes it easy for a child to access each room and position each piece of furniture. The wooden furniture is solid and I'm sure she's going to get plenty of fun hours playing for many years. Number 2. GuDoQi Miniature Dollhouse Kit, Traditional Courtyard House. This miniature house kit is a challenging handmade craft. It's perfect for those who enjoy DIY projects and have patience. You'll create a beautiful miniature house, ideal for home decoration and collection. This kit is designed for individuals aged 14 and up. It's not a toy, but a detailed craft project. It requires time, patience, and a love for DIY to complete. The kit includes various materials like paper, wood, metal, and plastic. These components allow you to create furniture, plants, and decorations. You will need to prepare glue, scissors, and hobby knife yourself. Building this miniature house involves cutting, stitching, and sticking. It takes approximately 20 to 30 hours to complete. It requires calm, patience, logic, imagination, hands-on ability and some circuit knowledge. The kit comes with an illustrated English instruction manual. Each step is clearly described with color photos. It's easy to understand and follow, guiding you through the assembly process. The kit has been carefully inspected to ensure all accessories are included. If you encounter any issues, please contact us. We're here to help you enjoy your crafting experience. What we like. This miniature dollhouse kit features a traditional courtyard house design. It comes with a detailed manual to guide you through the process. If you are a DIY enthusiast looking for a challenging and rewarding project, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. It was easy to build with quality material and it turned out gorgeous. Love the end result though. I like that a lot of the smaller pieces of railings and wood details were already painted and punched out, also sanded, in this kit. Number 1. Tiny Land Modern Family Dollhouse. This dollhouse offers an immersive journey for children. It encourages kids to create endless stories with multiple interactive rooms and 53 meticulously designed furniture accessories. Each piece is crafted with care, ensuring both durability and safety. Watch your children transform into interior decorators and creative visionaries. They can explore contemporary living by hosting pretend dinner parties or arranging furniture. The possibilities within this wooden dollhouse are limitless. This wooden dollhouse boasts 7 rooms and 53 pieces of furniture. It's designed for children of all ages, fostering cooperative play. It makes a wholesome family experience for siblings, friends, and parents. Crafted from high-quality, sustainable wood, this dollhouse represents durability and strength. Measuring 27H x 24L x 12W, it provides ample space for multiple children to play without feeling crowded. We are dedicated to offering top-notch service and products. If you have any questions about the product, please don't hesitate to contact us promptly. What we like. This dollhouse offers a modern family design with 7 rooms and 53 pieces of furniture. It provides an immersive playtime experience, encouraging creativity and storytelling. If you are looking for a dollhouse that offers plenty of space and accessories for multiple children to play, this is the one. What people say. Quality is top-notch, nice and heavy wood. The instructions are very clear and easy to follow. All I needed is electric screwdriver. It comes with a bunch of adorable accessories and cute little abstract art pieces you can stick to the walls. The house is sturdy. The only item I'm afraid will break is the pole for the outdoor umbrella. I mean really, this comes with fake grass and an umbrella and a barbecue grill. It is not lacking for furniture. Only drawback is that the grill lid and the refrigerator don't open. I love the layout of the house because you can switch up the rooms and configure it so many different ways. There's good space in the house and the furniture isn't too bulky. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.